Well, it's Saturday, January 20th, 2024, and the topic today is account settlement. In point of fact, I had 27 contracts. Five of them, five $4 call contracts were exercised. And the closing price was 404 per share. So those were exercised. I was a little bit concerned that the 23 $4 put contracts would be exercised, and they were not. I think that's the case where puts are more likely not to be exercised than calls. So, but at any rate, that's good because that's $575 pure profit on that. Because I collected the premiums up front and the contract was not exercised, so there was no cost associated with that. So that was pure profit. And the having contracts not exercised is the key to making good money at this as opposed to just mediocre money. So I need more of those. As you can see by the chart that will follow, this transaction set has had pretty good luck in that regard. So as you can see from the charts just displayed, I have 500 shares of HBI, which are not encumbered. I still have open 300 contracts that expire in February. So I'll be placing orders for call contracts to expire in February. I'm not really happy with the fact that I can only sell monthly contracts now as opposed to weekly. Of course, I can get around that to some degree by, in other words, if I have a February contract, expiration date is available. As time progresses toward that expiration date, then the window of exposure gets to be less and less. So, and there's not a whole lot of reward by placing put contracts so early. I mean, I'm only going to collect the premium one time. So that means I'm going to be watching the market every day, and I'll be more likely to do sudden trades as opposed to the way I did with weekly options, where I basically by Sunday had placed all my orders. Can't do that now, not if I stay with HBI. So I will place and show you the placing the 5 call contracts. Or I may just sell that stock outright. But still, that would give me a good, tidy profit based on the premiums I've already collected for those. I'll just have to see Monday. I'm sorry that I can't show you the actual trading as I normally do. But this having to move to monthly contracts as opposed to weekly sort of creates a little bit of a problem for me in terms of the way I convey what my thought patterns are and my trades are. They're going to be sudden. But I hope you'll continue to watch this and get a feel for uh, the way I'm making the decisions and can profit from that. As always, I'd ask you to subscribe. And if you like a particular video, hit like. That's a big help for me on my channel. Let's try to make some money.